Hey guys, big welcome to Doug's Aquarium channel, aka Tri-State Tropical Fish on Facebook. We have a group there, and what we're concentrating on this week is we have two 20-gallon standards side by side, and we're doing a little experimenting with Cory cats. We have 12 Julii cats, all same age, came from the same breeder, and there are 6 in each tank side by side, same heat, they share the same water. We use everything the same food. What we're going to do here is we've got a couple females that are looking pretty fat, and I think the best way with Corys is to sex them. You can look down on them. I hate to take them out of their environment to put them in a pan and look down, but I can tell there's a couple of pretty fat females in each tank. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to put a cube of freeze-dried tubifex worms in each tank, and we're going to try and put them in the same areas. Whoops. So we can view them all at the same time as they're eating and kind of pick out the big girls, and of course the males are a lot more slender. So we're going to watch, and we're going to back out of the frame here a little bit so we don't spook them. They tend to want to go hide when somebody walks by my aisle here. So there you go. Now the only difference so far in the two tanks is we have substrate in the left tank, as you can see. And Corys is their bottom feeders. We know they like rooting through the gravel, looking for food, etc. But we're going to see at what stage these guys start to lay eggs and spawn. And we're going to see whether any of these differences matter. And the first difference, of course, is the substrate. So we've added about, I don't know, ½ inch of substrate. And there is no gravel in the other one. Each one of them has a big almond leaf, and each one of them has a big floating spawning sock mop. They're both identical, came from the same person that builds them. So let's just do this. Let's sit back, let's watch these cats, and as they come up to those blocks of worms, we're going to be able to see how fat the females are, so we can really get a count of maybe how many we have. I believe there's a couple minimum in each side. There could be 3, and the rest of course seem to be males. So here we go. The left tank, they have definitely found the food. Now if you notice, and I'm going to quit talking here, when they put their bellies up to the glass, you can really tell the ones that are big and fat. So anyways, let's watch them for a few minutes, and then we'll conclude this portion here. But let's watch them eat. You guys see if you can pick the females out of the group. Well, it looked like the guys on the left really took to that food block faster than my guys on the right. The guys on the right don't seem that interested this morning. The lights have been on for about an hour, so they are definitely have woken up. But look at the size of my female on the left, just to the, she's actually behind the food block now. I think she's the biggest one we have there. So these guys are probably working on 5 months, and they of course say Corys start spawning at about 6 months, but we've been feeding them a lot of food. We feed them about 3 times a day and all different foods to give them a nice variation. So I would expect we would have some eggs here within the next maybe 2 to 4 weeks. And we will continue to update you with these guys, and we appreciate you being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, we certainly would appreciate the support, and we look forward to sharing some ideas with you. If you have anything that you're interested in seeing, keep in mind we have small tanks. We are not going to be doing much with the bigger cichlids and stuff. We are looking for a nice set of angelfish to start with. We're looking for some nice veils, maybe some black veils. We're also looking for some golds, maybe calicos. So we will start to look for angelfish and hopefully get a few paired off, and they spawn nicely, of course, as you know, in 20-gallon tanks. So anyways, more experimentation to come. We will next time, I think, start with a different water level. 20-gallon tanks are a little tall, and we might lower the level down about 50%. See if that see what happens there. So anyways, we'll keep you updated when we get some eggs. You will be the first to know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Out. One thing we do notice is it sure looks like the females hit that worm block. Some of the males are still swimming around the tank. They may have had enough, but the females, they really go for it. Now here's something interesting here, is this one what looked like female was up in that spawning mop. She's down now though, but anyways, we're going to conclude this video for now, guys. We appreciate you being here. Back shortly.